to.
Hey girl, hey. As you can see, my booking website has went from basic to bougie and classy in just a few touches. Guys, so basically I use Acuity Scheduling Website to, have my clients book their services that they would like. I'm actually going to put what my old booking site looked like, but as for now, please make sure that you head over to Canva because that's where we're going to be designing your new booking site. As you can see, I typed in Instagram story. They have tons of Instagram templates, but of course we are going to use a blank template. So per usual, they provided me with the white basic background, as you can see here. You want to make sure that you are using the dimensions for the Instagram story because you don't want it too small and compact. I'm just going to change the color. You can change the color to whatever fits your business, but I recommend that you use like black because it just doesn't have the like colors and the words clashing on your site. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to add some text, and it's basically going to be self-explanatory. I'm just basically trying to show you how you can design it and how you can upload it on the Acuity website, because a lot of girls on TikTok were basically wondering like, dang girl, like how did you do that? And I'm basically just like, girl, okay, I'll do a tutorial and I can basically show you. So as you're adding your text and adding everything that you're going to be having on your booking site, you need to make sure that you are using colors that resemble your business. Whatever your logo is, whatever you use to promote your business, you want to make sure that you are using the correct colors, and you want to greet your customers or your clients as they are entering your booking site. So it's best to be like, hey babes, or hey girl, or whatever you call your clients. Just make sure you have it on there. And you also want to make sure that you are thanking each and every client, because without them you would not be in business. I'm just saying, let's be real, we have to show some type of courtesy to our clients because we are thankful that they are booking with us. So we want to make sure that we are showing that appreciation just by giving them a simple message right before they book, or just anything of that nature. Okay, so as you can see right under hey babes, I put thanks for booking. That's just a simple and good gesture that you would do if somebody is booking you. So okay, I'm gonna just basically add whatever design or whatever you're gonna use to separate your policies. First and foremost, you need to start with a booking policy. Whatever you require your clients to do, you want to make sure that you put it in this first section because it's very important just to cover your own butt. I know that it sounds like cliche, but have you noticed like when you're booking with someone, they have a booking policy because that's what they require from their clients, and you need to do the same because some people are kind of crazy. They get kind of crazy and they be like, hey girl, well you didn't make that known. So all the information you need to make sure that is here. And I know that I'm just talking a lot, but I just basically want to make sure that you are covering everything. And if you do have a current booking site, I'm pretty sure that you have already implemented all of these rules that I'm telling you about. And yeah, so like I just said, you can basically just watch me design this, and then I will pop back in when I feel like you guys need more help.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
So now that we have all the designs out of the way, you're going to head over to your site, Acuity, and you're going to keep it as daily calendar look. As you can see, this is my current site. I'm not going to publish the new design that I just did for you guys because obviously it's an example, but you're going to delete all of your information out of there. So once you do that, you're going to select the image icon, you're going to select choose file, and then you're going to select the first picture that you would like your clients to see when they come onto your site, which is the one where you're greeting them and thanking them for booking. You're going to hit the image icon once again, and you're going to basically follow the same steps that I just told you. Click the image icon, choose file, and you're going to upload the second picture. If you are using more than 4 or maybe more than 2, you're going to repeat this step repeatedly until you have uploaded all of your files. And once you're done, it should look like this. And guys, that's basically just it. Once you are done, you're going to scroll down and you're going to hit save changes, guys, and that's it. I don't know why people on TikTok were making it so difficult. And yeah, if you still need help, please don't hesitate to email me. If you want me to go ahead and just make yours, I will do so. But that's all for today, guys.